Good morning, students. Today I am starting a new chapter, pollution of air and water. According to your syllabus, this belongs in chemistry. I hope all of you often hear the word pollution. This word is not new for all of you. Pollution means the presence of harmful or poisonous or unwanted substances in the environment which have a harmful effect on environment. This means the pollution affect both living things or non-living things of our environment. There are mainly four types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution or sound pollution. In this chapter, we have learned about air pollution and water pollution. I will discuss first air pollution. All of you know air is a homogeneous mixture of different gases. The two main gases present in the air are nitrogen and oxygen. In air, 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.03% carbon dioxide is present, and in remaining part water vapor, argon and other gases are present. But due to pollution, air is contaminated or polluted by some harmful gases such as carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, dust, soot particles, smoke, etc. also present in air. So we defined air pollution as the contamination of air with harmful gases or unwanted substances is called air pollution, or the presence of harmful gases or other solid pollutants like soot particles, dust particles in the air which have harmful effect on both living things and non-living things. The substances which contaminate the air or pollute the air is known as air pollutants. And the major air pollutants which causes air pollution are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxides, excess of carbon dioxides, chlorofluorocarbon, suspended particles, soot particles, dust particles, etc. The question arises कि how does air get polluted? Yeah, what are the main cause of air pollution? The air is mainly polluted by human activities. Some natural cause is also responsible for air pollution. The main cause of air pollution is smokes released from industries. A cloud of smoke from the exhaust of vehicles or exhaust from automobile. You see in the figure sources of air pollution. Deforestation or cutting trees on large scale is also one of the main cause of air pollution. Burning of leaves, paper, plastic, garbage also released harmful gases in the air, and these gases is also responsible for air pollution. Forest fire, volcanic eruption is the natural cause of air pollution. So, if we summarize the cause of air pollution, we notice that increasing population, industrialization, rapid growth of cities, rapid economic development, industrialization is the main cause of air pollution. So, at last, I have given some questions related to the topic. You solve it. You like or subscribe the video. Thank you. I will come again on next video for explaining the factors or what can we do to reduce air pollution. Thank you.